Hello, Leo. Welcome back to Fourth Element Tarot. Thank you all for returning to my channel and for the new ones coming in. You're very welcome here and greatly appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well. Leo, I do want to take a minute to apologize for being late on your weekly reading. I am a single mother and I do work a full-time job. This I do on the side because I want to. Okay, so I do apologize for being late, but we are here now and that is what matters. Okay, Spirit always knows the right time and the right place for everything, right? Sometimes we don't think that, but it really works out. All right, Leo, this will be for anywhere you have Leo in your chart. If this reading resonates with you and you enjoy this channel, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this reading does not resonate with you, please check your other placements as this is a general reading. Okay, so let's get started. This reading will be for April the 10th through the 15th. Guardian angels, archangels, Holy Spirit, we call upon you at this time to come into this reading. For Leo, help Leo see and hear what they need for their highest good, please, Spirit. For April the 10th through the 15th, 2021. We want to thank you for guidance, clarity, love, support, and all of your blessings, as we are greatly appreciative of them all. Thank you. All right. This reading is for Leo, April the 10th through April 15th, 2021. Spirit, what does Leo need to see, please, for their highest good? Please show us clearly. One more. This is for Leo. What does Leo need to see for their highest good for the week of the 10th through the 15th? Thank you so much. Okay. We have let go. Once you let go of the outcome, you'll be able to release all the emotional constraints that have held you back in the past. Trust in the higher good and guidance of spirit, as we all have only your best intentions at heart and will do everything in our power to protect you. Let go. Once you let go of the outcome, you will be able to release all the emotional constraints that have held you back in the past. Beautiful energy here. This is almost like the death card in the tarot, right? The death card is about knowing that you need to let something go. Okay? Letting go of the outcome, releasing control, letting spirit have the wheel. And then we have hope. Your loved ones in the spirit world know when to reach out if they see you're at a low point. Whether you're caught up in a difficult situation or struggling with someone specific in your life, there is always hope. Beautiful energy. So for some of you, Leo, I feel that this week is going to be a week of having the strength and the inspiration and believing and trusting in your guidance and your spirit team, right? Uh, Releasing any control of a situation, just releasing it all and knowing that what is best for you, spirit has your back. Okay? In the bottom of the deck, we have forgiveness. Holding on to resentment and anger is preventing or even suffocating your spiritual growth. Resentment is one of the strongest and most damaging of human emotions. The act of forgiveness in its own right is equally incredibly powerful, and it has the capacity to heal and transform. So for some of you, you could have some resentment, okay? Maybe there's a situation you're letting go of. Maybe there was some things that was not so good, okay? But don't hold on to any resentment and know that there's hope in this situation for you. Know that Spirit has your highest good at the front of their attention, okay? All right. What does Leo need to see regarding love, please, Spirit? What does Leo need to see regarding love for April the 10th through April 15th, 2021? April the 10th through April 15th. What does Leo need to see for their highest good? Thank you. What does Leo need to see, please, for their highest good? Ooh. I'm not going to take all them. What does Leo need to see for their highest good? Please show us. Thank you. True love. This love is emotional, physical, and unconditional. Wow. Beautiful. So there is true love here for you, Leo, and you need to let go and release the control of the outcome, okay? When we're holding on to controlling how the outcome is going to be, we're creating disaster for ourselves. We have to let go and allow Spirit and trust and believe, have faith in Spirit that they know what's best for us, right? And this is exactly what I'm talking about, vulnerability. You can be completely open with this person, but I feel more like this vulnerability is talking about being vulnerable and allowing Spirit to have the wheel, right? Beautiful energy. We're going to put that one up there too. And let's jump into your tarot. Guardian angels, archangels, Holy Spirit, we call upon you at this time to deliver the messages that Leo needs to see, please, for their highest good. April the 10th through April 15th, 2021. What is it that Leo needs to see for their highest good? For April the 10th through April 15th, 2021. Thank you so much. One more. This is for Leo. Wow. Eight of Wands. Fast action, communication, forward movement. Okay? This is Spirit letting you know that the plan is in motion. Let go of the outcome. Okay? We have the Hangman. We have your energy, the Sun. The Queen of Swords. What else for Leo for April the 10th through the 15th, please, Spirit? Thank you. The Two of Swords. Hold on just a moment. I have to plug this computer up. I apologize about that. I had to plug the computer up. I did not want it to go dead, okay? So we have the Two of Swords. What else for Leo, please, Spirit, for April the 10th through April 15th? What does Leo need to see for their highest good, please? The Six of Cups. Someone else had the Six of Cups in the same spot as you. I want to say Aries did, and possibly Sagittarius. I know Aries did. If you have Aries in your chart, you might want to look at that reading. What else for Leo? Wow, Page of Wands. Spirit. The Seven of Coins. The Page of Swords. What is the outcome for Leo this week, please, Spirit? What is the outcome? Okay. I'm going to take both of these cards. They both fell out. I usually don't do that, but I am. I'm being guided to. So your outcome for this week is the Ace of Wands and the Three of Coins. Okay? This is working very diligently for this passionate new start. Okay? So let's see here. Overall energy, we have the Ten of Wands. So, Leo, I feel like you're very burdened. You're very burdened by, consumed with letting go of the outcome. That's what I really feel. You're very burdened by how is this going to go, right? How's this going to go? Are we going to are we going to get together? Is it going to be long lasting? Will there be forward movement? You know, all of these questions I feel like are playing within your mind, right? There is a need to enjoy yourself this week and to release the worry and the burden of this situation. So I do see there could be travel during this week, okay? Or communication, a lot of communication, texting, phone calls, okay? The challenge is Pisces energy, Hangman. I really don't see this as a challenge, okay? For you, it could. Possibly you or the cross-watcher. Take it how it resonates, right? So the challenge here is the Hangman. The Hangman is all about being at a stalemate, right? I feel like this is gaining that new perspective on the situation. There is a need to gain new perspective, to release the control, to have faith in the universe and to go with it. Have faith in your angels and your guides. Have hope. At the root of the reading, we have your energy, the Sun card. Beautiful energy. Your advice this week is to enjoy yourself. Be happy. Be joyful. Think positive, right? This is beautiful energy. A lot of abundance and bliss and happiness here for you. In the past, you could have been dealing with an air sign, a Gemini, Libra, or an Aquarius. Okay? You could have cut this person out, or they could have cut you out. There could be no communication between you at this time. That could be where your issues is coming up here. In your crowning thoughts for this week, we have the Two of Swords. Okay, that's that stalemate energy. Needing to make a decision, to take the blindfold off, to make that decision. In the near future, we have the Six of Cups, soulmate energy, true love, right? Beautiful. Some of you could have had past lives with this person. Yes, this is true love here. In your energy, how you see yourself in the situation is the Page of Wands. Okay, so you could be just wanting to be playful, be not so serious, right? It's time to release all that and to bring that youthful energy within this situation. What you're not seeing is the Seven of Pentacles. This is divine timing, right? When Spirit knows that it's the right time, it is going to happen. Divine timing is at play here. Spirit is working behind the scenes for this situation. In your hopes and fears, we have the Page of Swords. I feel like this is you hoping that there will be communication. For a lot of you, I feel strongly that there is not any communication between you and this person at this time. Okay? You could have cut this person out in the past, or this person could have cut you out. Take it how it resonates. I don't feel like there's any communication right now. I feel like that's what you're hoping for. You're hoping for communication. In your outcome for the week, we have the Page of Wands and the Three of Pentacles. This is about a passionate new beginning and working on something, this time building something of stability, something that's going to last, right? So let's clarify a few cards and see here. Spirit, we ask for clarification on this reading for Leo for April the 10th through the 15th. For some of you, I feel that you've kept this person at arm's length, so to speak. Clarification on this reading for Leo, if I can say it right. Spirit, why is the Hangman here as the challenge? Why is the Hangman here as the challenge? The Knight of Wands. So the challenge is about surrendering. Surrendering to the universe and taking action, right? Taking action towards what you want, what you're passionate about. It's about coming out of the Hangman tree, taking the action, the Eight of Wands, taking that ignition to move it forward, but to release how it's going to end up. Release that. Enjoy the moment. The Page of Wands, right? This is that playful, youthful, carefree energy. Having the Star card is about having hope in the situation. What's the Two of Swords here for Leo? Please show me. The Ace of Pentacles. It's about releasing, taking the blindfold off, making that decision to offer that stability, to take that leap of faith. What is the Six of Cups about, please, Spirit, for Leo? Why is the Six of Cups here? The Six of Cups again. Okay, so this is clarifying that it could be someone from the past, okay? Could be someone, like I said, that I don't feel you're in communication with, that will be returning, okay? It's all about divine timing for you two to come together. This is what I'm feeling very strongly here. Why is the Page of Wands Leo's energy for April the 10th through the 15th? The Two of Cups. Yeah, this is true love here. And it's about being vulnerable. Opening the line of communication back up. Taking the blindfold off. Opening up your heart. Being vulnerable. Getting out of your head. What is the Seven of Coins here for? The Ten of Wands, right? This is about putting that heavy burden now. Letting divine timing come in. Letting Spirit work the way it's supposed to. Free yourself from that mental prison. Why is the Page of Swords here in Leo's hopes and fears? Please show me. Why is the Page of Swords here? Thank you. The Seven of Pentacles. You've been doing a lot of reflecting, right? You're hoping that patience and work put into the situation will lead to a new beginning, at least communication. Why is the Ace of Wands and the Three of Coins here as the outcome? Why is the Ace of Wands and the Three of Coins here as the outcome? Please show us clearly for Leo. The Three of Wands. So this could be someone that's at a distance from you, okay? I do feel like there's physical distance between you and emotional at this time, right? But this is also about manifesting, standing in your power, going after what you want, taking that action to go after what you want. Give me one more card. Why is the Ace of Wands with the Three of Coins and the Three of Wands? What is this about for the outcome? The Death card. Scorpio energy. It's about a huge transformation here. This is a huge transformation between two soulmates here. Okay? This is a new beginning, a passionate new beginning. This work that you two will be building something stable this time, right? A huge transformation between the both of you. It's about coming together, meeting of the minds. Beautiful energy. What advice do you have for Leo for April the 10th through the 15th, please, Spirit? What advice? Is there any other advice for Leo for April the 10th? Take that leap of faith. Trust in the universe. Trust in spirit. This is all about trusting in spirit, jumping off the love cliff. One more. Is there anything else? Communication. Taking that leap of faith to step out and communicate. If you two are not in communication at this time, Spirit is guiding you, divine timing is guiding you to communicate. The Wheel of Fortune, second chances, luck being on your side, the wheel turning in your favor, to free you out of this hangman tree, to take the action. Leo, I hope you enjoyed your reading for April the 10th through the 15th. If you did, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't, please check your other placements for additional messages. Next week, I will be doing your mid-month reading. You are more than welcome to come back and view it then. Make sure you subscribe so that when I do post the mid-month readings, you will be notified. I'm sending you all many blessings and love. And until next time, bye-bye.